Sanjit here and welcome back once again to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys like 6 different ways of applying eyeliner. The reason I picked up this tutorial is because many of you highly requested me to do a basic and proper eyeliner tutorial. So I thought, why not I add up more as a bonus for you guys. So I thought I'm going to do like 6 different ways of applying eyeliner. So just stay tuned to know what's going on. So the first look that I'm going to give my eyes is a simple look, and I've just picked this eyes for that. And the simple look is like very simple, and that's why it's called as a simple look. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my liner and just go exactly above my lashes, just like this. A very slight look, as you can see. You can go with this on a daily basis because it's a simple look and you can just carry this on a daily basis. So hope you can see this eye doesn't have a liner on and this eye has it, and you see the difference. Okay, and now the second look I'm going to give is a smooth look. The smooth look is something more or less similar to the simple look. The only thing is you have to make this line a little more broader, okay? So as you can see, I'm just gonna make this a little more broader. So a little more broader. So this is the eyes without the liner, and this eye has a smooth liner effect. And the third look, what I'm going to give today, is a classic look, and the classic look is also called as a winged liner look. So everyone is very famous of that name, winged liner. So this came from a classic look, and for that it is just similar to this smooth look, but the thing what you have to do is just make this a little more like, take it like this. Exactly. Your eyebrows are here, and just you have to draw a line like this. As you can see, that's it. And now just a straight line. I mean, you can see, right? A line from here and then a cross line from here. And then I'm just filling the gap. Okay. So this is a classic look or a winged eyeliner look, as you can see. Alright, the fourth look is a drama look. The drama look is very simple if you have mastered this classic look. The only thing you have to do is just fill in this gap. That's it. Very simple, but very effective. And here we go for a beautiful drama look, guys. But see, it's very simple if you have mastered this. Alright. So as you can see, just like filling the gap and making it a little more nice here. So the next look that I'm going to give my eyes is everyday look. And for that everyday look, it is like a simple look. Okay, so no one likes to have a lot of eyeliner on a daily basis. So just have a look at what I'm doing. I'm just drawing my eyes. Like you see, I'm not taking it up or down. I'm just going the way my eyes goes here. And then taking it here. But the thing is, you have to stop it with this. You're not going to take it and go it till here. You're just going to stop it there. And that's it. Okay, just bring it a little down here. And that's it for an everyday look. So this is an everyday look eyeliner. The difference between a smooth, a simple, and an everyday look eyeliner is that I've stopped this till here. I'm not drawing it or taking it further than this. But in a simple and a smooth look, I was taking it till here. So that's the major difference. But it's like more or less similar. And the next look is a double up look. And for the double up look, the word itself tells double liner. So the thing is, I'm going to draw a liner here. But again, I'm going to stop it like in the middle of my eyes. Now I'm going to take it more further. First, I'm going to like fill in my waterline, and then I'll be drawing below my eyes. So this is a double up look. See, it's just stopping it till here. So for this double look, you can also, it's not mandatory that you have to use a black liner. You can also play with colors. You can go with blue, or you can go with green. Green is like the most favorite, you know, my most favorite. So blue and green are like rocking for your eyes. You can also go with a white one, which is more nice at times. So this is the double up look. Okay, and next, my most favorite look, that is the Arabic eye makeup look. And it's who never loves an Arabic eyes. Everyone does love an Arabic eyes. And so for that, yeah, you have to first do this double up look, and then close your eyes, and just as I've told you, it's like this. Okay, make it a little more longer, little more longer, and a little more longer, and then fill it. You're not going to just, you know, draw very big and fill it like a drama. Then it'll be like a drama look. It'll not be like an Arabian eyes. So just very small and pointed, like a knife. Okay, and then here. You need not like, you have to just again for this after the doubled up look, you have to, for the Arabic eyes, you have to fill in this area. All right. Fill in the waterline as well. Instead of filling your waterline with the same black liner, you can also use a white liner so that your eyes will look more bigger. I already have a big round eye, so I do not prefer for that white liner, so that or else my eyes will look much bigger. So I think this is good. So this is in Arabic eyes. And the next look, what I'm going to do is, this is SD's look. So a second line here. a small line. I seriously don't. I've never given this liner a look. I mean, I've never given this liner a name, but I love this. You know, this gives a different type of look to my eyes. It gives a celebrity look at times, as you can see. Hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this was very useful to you all. So if you do try any of this looks, then what you have to do is share your picture on your Instagram and hashtag me #STKrish. So I'll be looking at your picture. So if you have any other doubts or any other videos which you want me to do, then what you have to do is just comment below. I'll be doing that as my next video, guys. So this is STKrish signing out. Bye bye.